Are you ready? Here we go. Hello everyone, I'm Dylan.
I'm Sarah.
And we're with Little Squirrel Yarn, and we're gonna do an unboxing of the Spring Equinox box. Sarah, what is this for?
Okay, so this year we partnered with the Loopy and Necessary Pancakes to create a quarterly subscription box that's available on those key dates. So there'll be a spring equinox, a summer solstice, an autumn equinox, and a winter solstice box available. And we made them so that you could either treat yourself to the whole year, or you could just buy a la carte. So you could get just one of the dates if that's what you wanted to do. So this is the first installment of that quarterly box. And this is, so that of course was a spring equinox, which I think is today, although I know we were debating that in the car.
In theory, it's today. I always thought it was the 21st, but it might be the 20th. If only we had the internet, we could check, but we didn't. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open this up and see what's inside. Sarah knows pretty much everything that's inside. I know what the yarn looks like.
Yeah.
So here we go. So this is the crafter. It's got a little tarot card sticker on the front of it. It's very cute. You'll notice a squirrel, a lamb, and some pancakes because that's what we're all about here. It's a serious box. Oh, it's super cute. Okay, so inside.
That card is right on the top, and on the back, if you flip it, it tells you everything that's in the box and gives you a little bit more information about it. But we will skip that since we're going to show you.
All right. Okay, some tissue paper stuff. Okay, so we have a little cute, I believe this is a sticker that is of the thing. I have to do the cool thing so it zooms in on that. Nope, that didn't work. So that is that sticker. Oh my gosh. Another box, a box in a box. It's a double unboxing, everyone. So this is, it says all little cute things. So that sounds amazing. Oh no. Okay, stop it. So it is a little teacup.
Oh,
Here,
how
hold
cute.
this, Sarah. I want this now. Okay, and then a little for your springtime tea or coffee.
Or if you,
What's
I drink my coffee out of a much bigger mug. But what I thought would be adorable is you could set it next to your knitting area, and it could be a good place to keep, ends if you're weaving in ends, or if you've got stitch markers, any of your little tools. I thought that would be a super good use for it. They are little and cute. Every one of these is different. So whatever your mug looks, I know. Christine sent me a picture when she opened the first one, and oh, they're so cute. So every design is a little different. You'll have your very own unique teacup and saucer, or coffee cup and saucer.
And one of the things that I remember when you guys were talking about all of this is that every single one of the boxes is going to be kind of themed for that season. So this is the spring one, so it comes with a lot of spring fun things like that. The summer one's gonna be different stuff. It's not like you're gonna get a teacup every time, I don't think, right?
It should be very different. It should be, and since we based them around, these important dates within the seasons, we really did want to focus on that.
All right, so up next we have this little handy dandy packet. It's magical.
Did you see the cute little,
The little sticker.
The little sticker.
Yeah, super cute. Okay, so this is needle point protectors, and they are flowers. So that's super fun. Yeah.
Yeah, these have been so popular lately, the little silicone needle toppers. And I love the colors, and I believe there's a few different colors you can get here too. They're not all this exact design, but they're all really cute and flowery.
Okay. And see, demonstration.
Oh, it does fit right in there.
Look at that. Okay. We may have a cat visiting us shortly to help us out with this. All right, so this is our next one. Oh, they all have cute little stickers on them. This one has like a little, I don't even know, but it's like a little daisy or a little, I don't know, forget-me-not?
Oh, it's a flower.
It's a flower. We didn't go to science school in this house. All right.
Yeah, we do. We have, this is Frank.
He's the assistant unboxer.
He's here to help.
Okay.
Immediately lost interest. There we go.
Okay, so these are these little sheeps.
They are.
Okay, These are little colorful sheep stitch
Maybe
markers.
you can put this behind it.
So yeah, there you go. You can kind of see them. They're little sheep stitch markers, a bunch of different colors. They have the little, they're just little jump rings.
Yep.
So yeah, they just slide right on your little needles.
Yeah.
They're shiny and gold, also fit in the teacup.
I know that one of the options, since crochet, obviously these wouldn't work, but we did let folks know that if you are a crocheter and you want your treats to reflect that, just to let us know in a comment, because there were alternate items for crochet boxes if that's your main craft.
Because crocheters are real fiber artists too. We got you. I crochet. So here we go. Up next, we have a goodie. This is just some wool wash.
Yep, just a little packet of eucalypt.
Is it unscented? Yep, unscented. So this is always handy. Makes the stuff soft. All right, now we're getting to the fun stuff. It's all fun stuff. All right, another one with another cute flower sticker. Ooh, it is the Grateful Garden Pollinator Wildflower Blend. So this will be great for getting your spring garden started. I think it's just throw it in your yard and go for it. Yeah, scatter them about 1/4 inch deep, full sun, 8 to 30 days. So this would be wonderful. So
Yeah.
throw this outside right now. None for Frank. All right, and in this one, these stickers are beautiful. I don't want to rip it, but I'm gonna have to. This is cute too. Black tea and rose petals. Oh, so is this a tea?
It is. It's
Oh,
but then you have the little tin left over too,
yeah.
which I thought was such a fun idea.
Open it up. Don't go ever. Okay, so yeah, it looks like it is a nice little tea bag. Yeah, it's a nice little tea bag in here, and then you have your nice little tin, which, if you have cats like us, you can keep all your stitch markers in.
Yeah.
So
little handy, cute guy.
All right. Oh, I see the candy. Okay, we'll get to the candy later. This is some fancier tissue paper too. This is very springy tissue paper. Oh, it's a little, just like a key tag thing or a bag strap.
Oh, you could use it as a little key tag thing, but
So
we meant
this
to
is
use
from
it.
Necessary Pancakes, I believe.
It is, and it's a great way. If you have a project bag, you can clip this to it, and then you have a little handle to carry your project bag with, and then yes, show them the secret cool thing.
So it is a secret ruler. So this is nice, you know, when you got it, you don't want to get your whole tape measure out of your bag, but you can just take something real quick, see what your measurements are.
Or if you forgot your tape measure, that's another one. But yeah, just a super cute little handy. It's versatile. I didn't think about your keys, but that would be another perfect use for it. But yeah, a lot of times your project bag doesn't necessarily come with a handle. Well, this would clip to your zipper or something to help you keep a good handle on it. And super cute little spring fabric.
All right. And this, I know what this is.
You do know that.
Also really pretty paper. So this was our...
That's why the cat is here, you guys. He loves the tissue paper.
So this is our Little Squirrel Yarn Arrival of the Robins set. It is a Surrey silk and a sock weight merino nylon blend. So that's just what we made. Sarah, tell them more about our wonderful yarn.
They're both, you've got 100-gram skein of the oak sock, and then you have a 50-gram skein of the beach lace. They are meant to be used together. I apologize for the cat interruption. He was sleeping. I just want that to be known. He was sleeping when we started this process. So, Frank, they are meant to be used together, and there are patterns, which we'll get to in just a second, included that will allow you to use the set, and also some suggestions. So if the patterns included aren't your cup of tea, you could look at the suggestions there that would work for this. So, yeah.
And speaking of patterns, here is the tulip line hood, which
Christine designed.
Oh yeah, there she is. Christine designed this, and Kat's making all sorts of things. And then we also have the crochet hooded cowl, which was designed by Kim.
Yes, who teaches crochet at the Loopy U.
So both of these are for hoods that use this to make you a super nice hood, because, you know, we're probably going to get that weird spring cold snap, right?
It could happen. Let's hope so.
And I believe, and then also the candy. So we have,
There's 3.
oh, there's 3 candies, one for Frank. So we came with some caramels. These are honey caramels, I believe, and I believe these are local to Colorado, if I remember correctly.
I'm not sure, but I do
But
know
they're
that
delicious.
they are it's a small company. Yeah, they are honey caramel, keeping in that idea of spring and flowers. And like I said, it tells you everything on the back of this card that you'll find right at the top of the box. Of course, trying to read
Little
that. Yeah,
Taste of
honey
Summer
taffy, a
and
little taste
Colorado.
of summer. Yep, it is from Colorado.
Thought so. And then there's also a card for necessary pancakes, because you need it. And then what's left is some tissue paper and some bubble wrap.
Yeah, that's correct.
So not only do you get all this fun stuff, we also get some stress relief bubble wrap to pop. So
yeah, let's put it all back in the box and we can quickly. So you get a yarn set.
put it back in.
You get caramels. You get needle toppers. Some super cute stitch markers.
Cheap stitch markers.
A Euclid wool wash sample. A little tea.
It's a
Tea
tea
bag in a
bag.
tin.
And this one is the black tea and rose petals. That's probably pretty tasty, pretty springy.
A handy little fabric strap.
With a ruler built into it.
Yep.
Wildflower seeds.
Thank you. A sticker. Oh, I can't get the sticker up. A sticker.
The secret of everything that is in here.
Yep. And a teacup and saucer set.
That seems unsafe, but yes.
Well, we're not going to do anything. We're just putting it all back in there.
All right, so that is everything that came in the spring equinox box. Are there any more of these left?
There were. I believe that
Okay.
there are 3 of those left at Loopy. So if you love that and you missed out, you can jump onto the Loopy U's website and grab it there. And then you can also check out and see if you want to sign up for summer, autumn, or the winter box, or all 3.
I recommend all 3.